just gotta make sure that my stream is working. Hey Salmon. Thanks for joining me this evening. Well, it's evening for me. It's like 11:30 at night. How are you doing? All right. So I'm going to pop onto CG Textures because that's where I tend to get most of my base textures from. And let me clean this up a bit. You wake up now? Where are you at? Like, what time is it? What time zone are you in? Metal, and this is gonna have to be another old grungy kind of grungy object, so you know what, I'm gonna also check game textures. 9 AM, nice. Good morning. Thank you for joining me this morning. Alright, I've never really used game textures before, mostly because it's not free, but I'm going to see if they have any metal textures, I guess, that I could use. Let's see here. Not really, so far not really seeing anything to my liking. Let me pop back on here, and I need a painted metal, so I'm gonna go back. 2 AM? No, it's 11:30 at night, so not terrible. I'm slightly nocturnal. This might work. Hey, how's it going? I'm doing good. How are you? CAD Art 3D. I will call you. How are you? I'm just looking for some base material to start my typewriter texture. Also gonna get this started. Start labeling my layers here. I'm just gonna grab some stuff and slap it down to just kind of get something started. So this website is called cgtextures.com. Oh, thank you. Yes, my UVs. I'm quite proud of them, actually. But yeah, I'm not sponsored by CG Textures or anything. I just really love this website. It's got really amazing textures. And they're free, although they give you like this quota for how much you can download in a 24-hour span of time. And it's 15 megs, which is a pretty good amount. Hopefully it'll get me through this texture here. Okay, so I've got this kind of rusty, dirty metal sort of thing, and I'm just gonna play around with it. I need it to be a black typewriter, so I like to just start off by getting the base colors down, and then I'll sort of go ahead and refine everything. Tends to be my process for everything. And I don't like this weird rusty spot on here, so I'm gonna patch that up with the heel brush over here. I lowered the opacity so I could see my UVs better. Maybe I should have left them as black and white so I can screen it. Alright, it's a little better. Alright, now I'm going to merge those, and I got these awesome typewriter keys off of, what was it, Animation or something like that? Yeah, Animation. Down here, there they are, keys, gears and keys. I got them right here, and these are some pretty good textures. Like, this makes me really excited to make something steampunk sometime, because I want to use these. These are really great. Anyways, so I might bump up the saturation a little bit on here. Maybe that's too much. And where I don't like it, I'll just mask it out. So that's a little too saturated. I'm just gonna mask it out. Simple but easy little trick. Okay, and now I'm gonna start getting the keys done. I'm gonna lower the opacity on the UVs so I can see what I'm doing. And yes, I'm old school. I'm using Photoshop. I don't know. I don't have any of those fancy texturing softwares. So you get to see me do this the old-fashioned way. And it shouldn't take me that long. I'm gonna try and line these up as much as possible. And I'll just sort of fix them, I guess. Oh, yeah. Apply the transformation. Okay. And now I'm just gonna have to go in and adjust these. Alright. Carawan, yeah, I am pretty old school, and by old school I mean poor. I don't have substance. I'm also lazy. Like, I got this free trial for Substance, and it was for like a contest on Polycount, and I never even used the I never even used the trial. I was just so caught up in school and work and stuff like that that I never really got around to it. It was a bummer. Oh, shoot. I gotta get this out of the way. You know what? I did it twice. So I gotta move this first. I was also contemplating whether or not I should stream myself laying out the UVs earlier, and I decided against it because I figured that would be too boring. But if that's something that you guys would be interested in, then just let me know. I know a lot of people have trouble with UVs, and yeah, thanks, Summon. But yeah, I know a lot of people have trouble with UVs, so I kind of don't find them too terrible. So, if you guys would be interested in that, just let me know. This is taking forever. Could be worse though, I suppose. I got them sized pretty well though. That's good. 9 viewers. Thank you all for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Say hi in the chat. I like hanging out with you guys. Who's with me tonight? Oh jeez, these are a mess. Let's start over here. Has anyone here used Substance or Quixel for texturing? Because if so, I would like to know your thoughts on it and how you like it. Anybody? Carawan, if you're still there. You made it seem like you've used Substance before. Alright, I'm almost done here. Thank goodness. And I think next I'm gonna grab some nice metal textures. Because aside from like the black base of the typewriter, I've got a lot of metal pieces. Almost done, last row. couple more. It is a really long process, but texturing I like. I like to do texturing. That's why I was wondering about Substance, because I just wonder if it's more enjoyable to do it in software like that as opposed to, you know, the old-fashioned way like I'm doing it, because I really like texturing. Caroline says, nope, just watching a few other 3D artists at Twitch, but they're all also using normal UV unwrapping and shatters. I'm like, don't you have Substance Painter? Yeah, I get asked that a lot. So is anyone doing anything really fun for the summer? A lot of my friends are like on vacation right now, doing cool things. And I'm just like missing out, I guess. I'm on, you know, Photoshop all day, every day. Alright, let's see. Gotta grab some metal. And maybe I'll check out the bear textures. I don't think the metal needs to be too banged up or anything like that, so this looks perfect. Yeah, I like that. I don't need a big, huge one or anything, so I'm just gonna grab this. Alright, not bad. I'll just leave it like that for now. What are we listening to? This is World by Orbit. A Monster Cat song. Get this off of there, and pretty soon I'll open it up in Maya and see how it looks so far, so I can make any tweaks if I need to.